in Rapido and Ola and Uber. Last 10 days too I traveled and I did bike taxi. So this is my experience. I'm sharing with you all which one is the best one, Rapido. Hi everyone, this is Sapa. Which one is good? Today I am making a video about Rapido and Ola and Uber Moto. The bike taxis I'm talking about today, these three. Last 10 days too I'm driving these three bike taxis. So I want to know that and I want to experience which one is the best one. In these three, anyone is the full time or part time we can do, and how much we can earn the money, and which one is the good one, and which one give the respect, and which one give the more profit, and which one have the benefits, and which one have the security and everything. So in this video I will discuss about all this. And now let's talk about the basic process. In India, the latest, the cab, after the COVID-19, nowadays everyone is opening and everyone is coming outside, everyone is rushing to offices and everyone is rushing to different places, and their willingness to travel. Most probably everyone is not effortful, so they are trying to alternative ways to get low prices and get low and as soon as fast. So everyone is picking the moto cabs. Moto cabs are bike taxis, are scooter, गाड़ी का ये सब कुछ, these all comes in one platform. So most probably in India, different platforms are different companies providing different this type of traveling. This Rapido is the one of the one, and everyone knows that Ola and Uber. Ola and Uber is giving bike, car and auto also. Rapido right now mostly preference in bike only. Now I am talking one by one. In these three, please remember in total my entire video, rider means who have booked. I preferred his rider. I am the driver, like that. So what are the basic steps? What are the basic steps we have to do for Uber driving, for Uber and Uber Moto and Rapido and Ola? Must and should, for the first thing, you have Indian citizen and you have permanent Aadhaar card and driving license originals and RC for your bike, and some platforms means some other companies, that means Rapido or some other companies, they are also asking PAN card also. So these three, PAN card, Aadhaar card, RC and original driving license, these four are first mandatory for these three all bike drive or bike taxi apps. So once I will show you end of the video what is the way to book, or what is the way to register, what is the way to log in, what is the way, these three. Voila is my app is crashing, so I will show you only Uber and Rapido, the same way in Voila also. So let's talk about these three. So this is what you are seeing. This one is the Uber Samvad. They are saying right now I am the offline. If I go touch this one, I will go to online, then this will ask every day, every 24 hours, confirm COVID-19 precautions in Uber. So what you have to do, you have accept. I'm wearing a face covering a mask, so you have to wear a mask and take a picture like this. Right now I am recording, that's why it's not come, or else you have to take a mask and wear it and take a photo, then it will automatically accepted. Then another one is that I won't drive if may have COVID-19 related symptoms. Yes, tick mark. I sanitize my vehicle, I wash or sanitize my hand regularly. Later this I told you, this picture, like agree, it will accept and you will go to online. This is, you will go to online, and sometimes it will ask take a picture of you, because if some other person will driving, that's why they are asking some picture of you. In Uber, once the app is downloaded, I will show you the app how to download. Go to Play Store, Uber driver app. In Uber it's called Uber driver app. Uber app is for riders, that means I told you riders, driver for Uber driver app. Okay, so once you have to go to Play Store and Uber drive, it's open the screen like this. So after this one, it will ask this is for your profile. You can create like profile. I told you 10 days I am driving and 74 trips I did that, and someone is giving the 6-star service, great conversation, hero, like that. So these are the main. So I will go to account. Here my vehicle, you can add multiple vehicles here. If you have 2 or 3, you can add it. Okay, so the documents, what are the documents I provided, all these it will be show you. I clearly mention, and I will clearly make a note here. Once you have to go to, these are the requirements they ask: bank passbook check, NOC vehicle, police clearance, legal agreements, driving license, PAN card, profile photo, driving license, photo ID document, and vehicle insurance, certificate of fitness, registration certificate back. So many things they will ask. So here I already mentioned, I have make a note here. Whenever you are uploading RC or Aadhaar or your original driving license, make it properly, take a picture or take a screenshot. If it's in a left side, if it's in the right side, like this, it don't allow. Uber don't allow. Here what are the greens are there, that one is the accepted. You still ask certificate of fitness. I did not have option vehicle insurance. It's not mandatory. The mandatory are what are the green. Legal agreements means it's automatically, you just accept the legal agreement. What are the Uber written? Driving license front, PAN card I uploaded, profile photo, that means driving license back, photo ID document means Aadhaar, registration certificate. So you must and should take the proper way. Where is our photo is there, like if you have to any ID card, the proper way. I will show you the difference between the Rapido and Uber. Uber don't allow, if it's in left side, if it's in right side, it's not allowed. Left side, right side, it's not. It must be the proper way, and the crop and everything. Then only Uber accept. Rapido, it can accept, it can rotate and everything. But Uber, it not accept. Uber is everything is properly you have to do. It will, how many days it will to activate? In my personal Uber, it will take, once you have uploaded the proper way, everything is will come to green. It will work in 1 to the May 12 hours. It's saying 24 hours. May 12 hours it automatic. Rapido means, Rapido also I uploaded night and early morning it automatically accepted. I got a call from Rapido. I don't get a call from Uber. I got a call from Rapido, and they are accepted. In Uber, I don't get a call and anything. Uber automatically, once they agree, it show me that photo and everything. It's automatically activated. So these are the requirements, the driving requirements. The bank book, passbook, check, nothing. But Uber, the account related, you have one account number, and Uber not accept UPI. Okay, so you must provide the bank account number and IFSC code. Okay, bank number and IFSC code. These two are the mandatory. Before Uber payment, last February 14 before, in Uber the payment mode will be 7 days. That means you have to work 7 days. The 7 days total payment, it will be transferred to your account. But right now I got a message from Uber. I will show you. Go to inbox. 20 hours ago, see, Uber mode will be started in 3 months before. So now it have some major updates. That one is the FlexiPay. FlexiPay means you can transfer the total money into your account. It will be transferred in 1 to 3 hours. They will charge 5 rupees per a day. You can do 3 times only in Uber. Rapido, Rapido accepted UPI. It just whenever you want the money, just redeem. It will be 1 to 3 hours. Okay, so Rapido is the good one. So this one. Okay, now let's go to account. The documents I already mentioned and I already show you. I show screen by screen, so you better to know everything. So it's showing. So these are all the. Okay, let's go to back, and the payment type I already mentioned. In the type, once at the time of your starting, they asked you the account number and IFSC code and which branch and which bank. Okay, after everything is over, the tax information means there is any our tax related, that is edit information means any your name Pradeep, your name, everything, your phone number, these are okay. About me, this version, security and privacy, two-step verifications and everything. App settings, if you want to, app settings, the sounds and voice, navigation, you can choose navigation, accessibility, app language English. Night mode means it automatically changes to night mode. Follow my trip means you can send your trips to your family members or some other persons. For example, if you have in driving, if happen anything, they automatically they will know you. The speed limit also you can put it in here. The speed limit most probably into 40 km speed or 60 km speed. Like ride check means every ride, after ride, it will ask you just like everything is okay. So you just press yes, everything is okay, like that. If no, they will ask you. So this is the app settings. Last one is the sign out. So this is for the account section. And wallet means I already mentioned you how much amount you. I have minus 58. How can I get the minus 58? Simple matter. Let me show you one my trip. This is my last trip. See earnings activity, go to last trip. So let's go to this trip. I will show you why it's showing the minus. So you can see here my trip details and everything. My trip started in Kukatpalli and ended with Madhapur Hills. So total duration is 28 minutes, distance is 11.8 kilometers. Okay, time requested 4/3, Saturday, cash collected. This is the problem here. I got the collection. Total paid to you, cash collected 1 rupees. Fare how much? 126. Other earnings, service fees, GST, discounts and everything, 25 rupees 20 paisa, and taxes is 6 rupees. My earnings is 94 rupees 80 paisa. Payouts is minus 116. So means Total trip balance is minus 21 rupees 25 minutes. That means I got the total amount in by cash. So every app, every platform, I'm mentioning here platform means the different companies who are providing the bike taxi. So I'm mentioning the platform. So Rapido or Volo or Uber wallet, automatically the amount will be added. So they give you some amount. So they give you some amount. 94 rupees. For example, he paid me. I was just collected 116 rupees. So total fare is 126 and 116 I got the collected. So the minus amount will be this one. So something the wallet, every ride or every transportation they are paying cash means in my wallet nothing, in my wallet most probably 0. So the platform maintenance and the charges and everything will be, every ride will be increases. So like that, right now my wallet will be, my wallet in my wallet it will be less amount, that's why minus these are the 1 week. In 1 week what I did is 2051 rupees and 14 paisa. That is I did in a 1 week. If you want to see details, you can see details. In Monday I did that. Sunday I took the rest. So this one, the cash out means if you have plus balance, you can press this cash out and automatically it will ask you to transfer amount into your account. So it will take 1 to 3 hours. Okay. So there is a promotions every day. So these are the cash outs and everything. So upcoming promotions you can see here in Uber, upcoming promotions. So Sunday, so Monday, if you do morning 3:59 a.m. to the mid whatever 10 trips, you will get 60 rupees. If you do 20 trips, they will get 150 extra amount. So like this, every promotions will be it shows here. Every promotion it will be shows here. Invite someone. If you want, anyone can join. They will get my invitation code here and they will get extra 250 rupees. So that means you can make up to 1000 rupees. So this is my invitation related. So I already, someone is pending, so I already make her some amount. So here, so if you want anyone to join, you can I describe this one, my Uber invitation code. Okay, so these are the Uber payments and wallet. I already show you wallet. It most probably solved minus 58. The payout schedule 22nd every Monday to this one, but it's changed. This is my account. I already show you. So this is the Uber motto. Now we all now everyone is understand the what is the Uber and which way it is, everything. In this one, these are the driving preferences. You can start auto confirm requests. Okay, you can add in Uber Moto. You can food delivery or some items dropping. You can add here. Open to all trips. And these 3 things recommended. What are the recommendations if you have? I already showed you the driver. This is the COVID-19. Follow my tip to set up. I already mentioned to your family members and the emergency assistance. Okay, and if you see this one, the search one, it is for your home. For example, I put it home, so it will be shows like this way. In destination 2 remaining. So what is your destination? That means if you are doing a part-time or full-time, whatever it may be, if you are traveled some in Hyderabad, KPHB, Kukatpalli Housing Board, or Kukatpalli to Kukatpalli is your hometown. That means you are staying in Kukatpally, but you travel some Charminar. So in Charminar too, you are going back your home place. So that time, if you activate this way, home, there is a search button is there, na? So if you set it in 2 times only, so then the only trips in the middle of Charminar to Kukatpally, on the Charminar to Kukatpally onwards, that trips only it will show you. For example, Charminar to Malkazgiri, Charminar to Secunderabad, there is a trip, but it did not show you. Only the trips, it will be on the way to Kukatpally only. That trips only you can see it. In Rapid also it is there, in Ola also it is there. So different in Uber it can search, in Rapid I will show you that go to home like that. So it will be, you can choose, you can select only 2 times. You can choose morning or evening, whatever it may be. So that is a 2 times you can choose it. So this is all my buddies. You can search here, you can see your last activity and today activity. Today I take a rest every Sunday, and you can see there is a I button. If you touch it, it will go to the privacy mode, so no one can see you. If you off, you can off. So this is Uber. So end of this video I will show you, I will tell you, and I will talk about which one is the good one and what is the plus and minus. So let's close to Uber. Let's go to Rapido. In Rapido also you got to go to Play Store. Rapido Captain. Rapido Captain is the bike taxi. So Rapido Captain is the bike taxi. So once you go to App Store and Play Store and download Rapido Captain, it will show you this way. The screen it will be appear like this. So in this one also I will show you how to do one by one. In this also the same way, it will ask also your this is the menu: Rapid ID card, earnings and redeems, incentives, rewards program, service manager, refer a friend, welfare program, help support, training modules, my route booking, and auto accept orders. This is the screen. Arogya Setu app is installed. In Rapido, it must and should be Arogya Setu app is installed, and Bluetooth will be always on. This is the incentive shows. So once you go to on like this, just on, off, on duty. So on duty it will show. So high demand areas. High demand areas means in 775 kilometers it is the high demand areas. Okay, this is my redeem balance. Same, I already told you, I get the cash. No one is interested in to pay in a wallet, so everyone is giving the cash. So that's why it show you the minus. So let's go to half. In this one, the first one is earnings and redeems. So your earnings, there is no earnings. I will show you the rate card. The base fare is this is for Ola. I will show you in Uber also in the end of the conversation, and I will put it the screenshots also. The base fare is 10 rupees minimum fare. If in Rapido and Uber is the same. Ola is minus. Ola is little less, 8 rupees. They will give you base fare is 8 rupees. Minimum fare is 20 rupees. So every kilometer till 8 kilometers. 8 kilometers 3 rupees. Later 8 kilometers is the 8 kilometer. 8 rupees per kilometer. Price per minute 1.1. Platform charges 15%. Platform charges means they are taking Rapido app related, they are taking the 15%. Total your card, total your trip. Okay, pick up an extra kilometer for example, now 3 kilometers long you have to go to pick up that person or a parcel. Extra charges is the 5 kilometers. And rental is there is a new option, there is a new process in Rapido. There is not available in Ola and in Uber. Rental means anyone can book or bike taxi per 1 hour, 2 hours, depend upon their hours or off day, 1 day. So that charges payout morning 12 morning mid to night mid. midnight or mid morning. So price per minute 1.5, price per kilometer after package I will show you that 10 rupees, platform charges 15% like this. This is for delivery. Delivery for means a food parcel. There is a difference between these two means. Mid to evening 7 p.m. 30 rupees per order. Extra fare for 5 kilometers 4 rupees. And mid 7 to morning mid 12 35 rupees order. So these are the different Rapido and the wallet you can redeem here. If you have plus wallet in your account, so everyone is transferring through online, then you have the plus, so you can redeem here. It will take 1 to 2 hours. You can directly give the any bank account or UPI, or you can give your phone number, Google Pay. Okay, so these are totally your history, depend upon 25th, 24, 20. I will show you. I did February 19th, February 10th, February 11th, 12th. I did only in part time, so 841, February 16, like this. Okay, so that is earnings and redeems and incentives. I told you in Uber, if you completed 10 trips, if you will get 60 rupees. If you complete 20 trips, you will get 150. Like this, the kilometers 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. incentives, and complete 18 kilometers, you get 36 rupees, like 27 rupees. So in Vola also the same way. Vola, I don't have the app crashings. Rewards program, nothing is there. In the future it will come. Service manager. The service manager means what are the delivery you are interested. Bike taxi, food delivery, eligible services. You are eligible food delivery, other deliveries. Other deliveries means the parcel and everything. And refer a friend. I will again, this is my referral code. You can see here my referral code. This is my reference code. Please note down, download the app and add this one. You will get one bike referral is equal to 200 rupees. You will get that. Okay, this is the bike reference. You can give your bike reference to other people also. Welfare program means right now nothing is there, but they are showing that introducing these things, COVID helpline, insurance, everything you have to pay. Nothing is there. Okay, nothing is free. Welfare help and support. If you have any problem, your order issue, app issue, redeem issue, earning issue, general issue, or you can call to directly customer care. You can find these things. Everyone is, please remember this point. You can see the support screen in Rapido and Vola. You don't have any screen. You will get that help related screen, but you don't have any direct contact to customer or app related problem, order related problem. Uber, you don't have get it. Please remember this point, and we will talk about this later. So later, help and support. My route booking, I already mentioned. In the same way, Uber, you have to just in a search button, you have to press it. You have to type your home address. So in a per day, you have your home to your location, or your location to your home. Only you can use 2 times. The same way here also 2 times. The same in the middle of whatever the bookings are there, in the middle of your location to your home, that only it will shows. Okay, by auto accept address means whenever you are driving, it will automatically accept the next address. So these are these things. So again, I mentioned here the first thing is what are the documents. These two same: Aadhaar card, PAN card, RC front and back, and your driving license front and back. In this one, if you took a photo RC in a left or right, whatever it may be, there is an option called it can rotate. You can rotate. In Uber, you don't have any option, so you have to do proper way. In Rapido, you have Ola, you have to rotate, so you have to properly rotate and you properly update. So no problem, it will activate in 3 to 4 hours, most probably working hours. Okay, so there is another option. You can see this is your notifications, whatever the notification will comes. This is the scan code. You can see here the scan code. Nothing means the scan code means you have to scan you have to scan. Like UPI, you have to whatever your wallet in your amount, you can use it. That is the only thing. So this is your Rapido, that is one is your Uber, and Ola also the same screen, but I will show you the different the price list and different amount, everything. So later I will tell you that which one is the best one, which one is good for and everything, and plus points and minus points. Let me. This is the Ola. Ola gave first 1 kilometer 8 rupees, later 7 rupees. After 11 kilometer and 750 kilometer. So these are the Ola. I told you Ola is the different compared to Rapido and Uber. It's some less amount. Okay, let's go to. This is for the Uber. The minimum fare is 30 rupees, base fare is 10 rupees per kilometer 9, and Uber service is a 20% and cancel fees is 25 rupees. Okay, these are the basic fares, and what are the apps you can use it. So let's talk about the plus and minus points. So now I am talking about the comparison between these two, which one is the good one, which one is the best one, and which one is the price come, and which one give you the more benefits and other things. The first thing what I have seen in last 10 days and what I experienced in these last 10 days, Uber is the number one. This is an international company, Uber, and it's have full potential and everything. Uber gives you the good amount, Uber gives you the good benefits. Like in Uber, stop positions are there in different positions. In there you can collect the sanitizers, the head masks, the masks and everything. Uber only provide, the Rapido and Ola it's not provide. And what is the plus points? Uber app is very clean, no glitches, no any bugs are related. Everything is clear, and Uber most probably will get that in high demand areas like this. In Uber you will get good locations, near ones, and in Uber. One more thing also plus point is nice people. That means the good education people, the good educated people are good people who have good conversations and good behavior, and more importantly you will get that respect. Everyone is please mention, you will get that respect. In Uber you will get the respect. Your driver, you will get the respect and everything. So Uber, these are the plus points. So in Uber, what is the minus point is, the big minus point is Uber don't have the customer support. That means Uber saying that it have the customer support. Go to help section, I am showing that there is a different help sections, tracking absence, acceptance and cancellation, trip issues. For example, go to trip issue, I had an issue with the delivery, I had an issue with picking up for food restaurant, something like that. So you have to mention it and say yes or no. Nothing will be happen. Nothing will be happen. If just saying that I can't complete my delivery, let's say, no, nothing like this. So it's not show to the customer. I will show you one incident. In 2 days back, early morning hours, I was 9:30 or 9:30. Alvin Chaurasta, Alvin Colony to GRIT Engineering College. One person will book Uber. So I went to Uber and I picked him. So he's talking very nice and he's good and he's a student. So once we reached destination GRIT, he said, brother, it's nearly 34 rupees or 35 rupees. He said, brother, I don't have money. Shall I pay in phone pay? So I'm saying that okay, no problem, you can do phone pay. But in my app, he book like as a cash. So he asked me to, buyer, please complete the trip, so I can pay you. So I did that. see, I don't have experience, so I did that. So later he said that, Bhaiya, I did the phone pay, but it will take some time. So my exam is already will start in 10 or 10:15, so I have to rush. And I told you, okay, I know nobody, no problem. You have my phone number, nah? So give me your phone number. He said that, brother, my phone is also some problem, battery is down. I did not think that he is a GRAT student and he is a good, he is talking good in English and his background most probably is good. So I think okay. But later he ran and into GRAT, but I waited 24 hours. Today is the third day, but still I don't he did not transfer. So I tried to call Uber customer support. I tried to chat, but there is no any other option. There is no option. I tried in Google. I searched in Uber Moto connectivity, Uber driver customer care. They are giving, if you want to, you go to say there. Nothing will be. They are saying that go to help section and there is a different sections. Go to in the particular section and in the scroll down you will get call support. There is no call support anything. So in Uber there is a big mistake is that there is no call support. There is no chat support. Please note down one more time, the drivers, the Uber, you don't have call support and chat support. But whatever the everything is which will be happen in Uber, it is the perfect. Nothing happened. So let's close to Uber. That is the Uber, my plus points and minus points. I don't have any minus points in Uber. You will get good people in good location and everything. So let's close to Uber and let's go to Rapido. The Rapido plus point is help and support. You can see here, you can see still need callers. If you want to see that, still need callers, I just take the screenshot and I will show you that still need help callers. You can directly call to, you can directly contact and directly. Rapido customer support is the very best in I see in both two. Very fast and very accurate. Their response is very good and they are very best in customer support. The problem, everything, whatever you get the order, whatever you can cancel the orders, they are showing that which way you can do. There is a different ways you can do that cancel order without any penalties. So Rapido the plus point. So Rapido the plus point is that cancellation under the customer support. The another plus point is Rapido you will get on compared to Uber Moto, you will get more trips. Once I started the Rapido, he did not. I did not stop. It automatically come to one trip to you. Everything is in your hands. So how many trips you can do? One by one. It will show one by one. So Rapido mostly you will get good amount and incentives also. So Rapido plus points and Rapido plus points the wallet. You can redeem your through UPI ID in the 1 to 2-3 hours. Okay, so there is no problem with that redeem. And you can see Rapido the fastest way and the navigation and everything is good and service management is good, welfare programs are good. So in Rapido, so what is the best in Rapido? Must and should be something in minus, right? So Rapido minus, you will get very long distances rides. One day morning I started 9:30, someone lady is booked, so I went to that place. Some old man is approaching me, he said PIN number. Then I got a call from her. I want to drop her father to Malkazgi. It's a very long AS Nagar or something there. It's my time it's showing that the trip time it's showing that 1 hour 42 minutes. I said, wow, 1 hour 40 minutes. Okay, I said, okay, then do that. So Rapido you most probably get that. But what happened now? The same way Rapido I got that. For example, I started Kukatpalli to I got a Sanat Nagar to Srinagar colony to Madhapur to Banjara Hills to Begambeta, Banjara Hills to Masab Tank, Masam to Begum Bazaar. Begum Bazaar to I got a Charminar. Charminar to I got a DRDO. So I started early morning 9. I tried one day fully Rapido. So that's why you can see my earnings. One is 836 rupees that day. So DRDO to Kukatpalli, it will reach 1 hour 46 minutes. So I tried to this option, my route booking, but I don't get any single ride. My petrol is waste. That is very long distance. It's Hyderabad end of the places. I did not get a car, a single ride. I just drive 1 hour 42 minutes, very lonely. I don't get it food delivery, I don't get it any normal delivery packages, nothing. So that is the very waste. So Rapido, it gives you very long distances. Even I told you one by one, but sometimes I told you, here to AS Ravnagar, Malkazgiri, different places, and some places the GPS is not working. I went to some places, there is no GPS. I don't know how to go. And I asked the rider, sir, could you suggest me which way? I don't know. I'm sitting here. I don't know. I will sit here. Then I want to ask you some other people. In the road, there is no person also there. That locations Rapido gives. Don't ask me Ola. Ola is the very worst thing. I will come to the later Ola. So Rapido. So this is the basic minus in Rapido. The long distances, and most probably I will tell you that the rude people. Most probably Rapido, the rude people will come. Uber, there is a good people, the beautiful conversations. In Rapido, they will come, hey, I will say you route, you go there. Someone is talking in that conversation. So they will tell you the route. They don't bother about your GPS, and they don't bother about your main. They want to go to gullies, they want to go to different way, they want to stop in the middle of, they want to take a cigarette, they want to take alcohol, they want to take whatever their needs. They want to stop your bike and they will go, and then they will come. Like in Rapido. Compared to Ola, not a big problem because of the money, and you will get so many trips. So Rapido is the good one. So Rapido, there is the plus, there is a minus. So Rapido minus is most probably rude people. If you handle with them, there is no problem. And most probably Rapido, most probably old Pathabasti and Charminar, Begum Bazaar, Secunderabad, these places you will get most trip. And if you are stuck in Madhava, you don't get that most probably. In Uber will handle Madhapur. Uber you will get Madhapur most trips. So this is the Rapido. So plus and minus. So I don't have the app to Ola, it crashed. So I will just tell Ola. Ola is the plus points. I don't have any plus points. I don't have any minus. I have all minus points because Ola, you will get slum areas, only slum areas, and the slum people. I don't know. Even GPS is not working in that places. So someone is requested into some Tanda. The GPS is turning. If I ask someone, they say I don't know. So I was going to left, right, they are shouting me, they are continually call. Even Ola and Rapido, they booked, they don't give time. If you accept and you are ready to start your bike, then you get a call. Hello? So if you say, hi, this is Rapido, hi, this is Ola. Hey, bike, kidhar hai? Aaja. Kitna late hoga? They started just now. They are shouting like that, they are talking like that. So you don't know what to do, and you don't have any option to cancel the order without proper way. So you must and should do that once you have checked it. So you say that I am coming. For example, if you are the proper person in Kukatpalli, you don't know the Charminar routes. Someone is called, someone booked, and someone is calling that, where are you? You don't know the location. You have to see left and right. I don't know, sir. I am coming in the way. And why? If you don't know, how can you drive? They are asking. So these are the main problems in Ola. Ola most probably got slum areas, and there is no GPS. They are shouting and everything. So Ola is the worst. Rapido, if you want to give me the 5 stars to these three, 5 star to 4 star Uber, and 3.9 star to Rapido, and 3 stars to Ola. So these are, so Uber and Rapido and Ola, the money best one is the Rapido, respect and beautiful people and beautiful conversation in Uber, and worst and everything is in Ola. So these three are my point of view. So the installation and the easy way. So later I am coming to point. If you want to choose the part time or full time, I did a per day total early morning 9 to evening 6. Maximum I got amount of that 985 rupees for Rapido. I completed 10 for Uber that day, and Rapido for another. So I got the 950 amount. So if you want to do full time in good bike and good petrol bike, that means Bajaj 100, these are gives you 80 to 60, 70 to, if that type of bike, that one is good. If you are using Pulsar or Yamaha, then waste of these things. You will do part time. If you want to full time 8 hours, that good bike, my suggestions are go to Rapido and Uber. These two are good. You can do part time also. The certain times are there, that time peak times you will get that double amount, so that one is the good one. So my suggestions is that if you want to go to full-time job, take a proper precautions, because I did continuously 2 or 3 days, my knees are paining, my ankles are paining, and my hands are paining. So some kneecaps or even some gloves, because if you see that my hand is it's totally tan, my full hand you can see, and my hand, see, in both hands. If you want to see my both hands, did you see that my hands totally tan? I did not use the gloves, so that is the problem, and you will get take some support to knees also, it will get problems. So full time if you want to do, no problem, take a rest and take a do that. And part time, this one is good for employees who have going to home to office. In the middle of you can pick up 2 or 3, and coming time you pick up 2 or 3, you will get easily 300 rupees. This one is the good for. So in Hyderabad I just did this amazing experience last 10 days. In other cities also it one is good. So my suggestion is that Uber and Rapido is the good one. Ola is not a good one compared to these both two. And in good cities, Uber also good one. So my suggestions. Coming to my suggestions point, my suggestions most probably take a good precautions. Take a helmet and take a bike in good condition and good long ways, and must should carry one bag. One laptop bag or some laptop bag is the good one, other bags are you can't put it, so laptop bag. So and right now in roadside they are selling 200 to 400 rupees the bike, the mobile stander with charging point. I purchased in Secunderabad only 200 rupees. It's that boy also inserted in that wire, the charging plug into my bike charger. So he took only 200 rupees. Sometimes someone is took 300 rupees. It one is good one. It one good one. So you can take a some. You can purchase it. So take a precautions. Kneecaps are not kneecaps are better to take some what is called that gloves and bandages. Yeah, knee bandages. knee band is also it's good support to give, it's good support. And not a chappals, better to, if you go to full time not a chappals, better to use minimum. Right now you can get cheaply in DMart also, or sorry, in roadside you will get 99 rupees or 199 rupees, you will get shoes. You better to take it, and it will very comfortable, and it will very useful in the long drives, in the driving time. So these are my plus points. And take a mask, always keep it in mask, because we don't know how, which type of people we met, and which type of people we can to gather, and we are picking and dropping. So better to take a precautions mask. And must and should you follow the traffic rules, and politely. These are my plus points and minus points. So my friends, so if you want to respect, and if you want to good people, and if you want to good income, you better to go Uber. Pick up and dropping long distance, you can handle rude people, and you get so many, you want to complete so many rides, better to go to Rapido. In Ola, if you have slum areas and everything, you will go to Ola. So this is my last 10 days experience. Most probably later I will show you the what are the some screenshot and everything. You can see that. If you like, and if you have any doubts in the future, I did different types, and Swiggy, Zomato, I did everything. So I last 10 days also I'm practically doing everything, and I'm sharing with all you, because of if you know the burning, if you know the pain, if you know the gain, then only you can share, then only you can tell to other people. So that's why last 10 days I suffered, I pained, and I gained. So these are my plus points. If you like my videos and everything, please subscribe. And I know you know that, what is that, make a ring that bell. Okay, so later so end of the video I will share few funny moments and the moments what is. Someone is asked me personally, not a video. This is my not a big YouTube channel. I am starting my time to YouTube channel. Someone asked me that, Bhaiya, you will get ladies. Yeah, you will get ladies. Most probably Uber, not Ola. Ola 1%, Rapido 30-40%. In Uber, you will get 70-80%, and they are very friendly. Okay, and second point, please keep changes. That means coins, because in Uber I had one experience. I have one experience that she is gated community duplex house. She is staying in near. She booked my back cab to drop HCL. It's near to Deloitte and backside Oracle. It took 36 rupees. She gave me 40 rupees. I said, I don't have 4 rupees. She said, you must have and get it. That is a software, you all know that is software area. There is no any hotel or no any, you have to, HCL is a law inside. You have to come near Deloitte. You will get in roadside on shop. So what I'm trying to say is that big people, they have big. She have an Audi car. Her husband is going in there and her son is going there by saying bye bye. So she is a big. No one leaves 1 rupee. One of the person said in the ads, "Double urke rao yavarke." So they do that same way. So please keep change, because of no one is lose single rupee, and no one gives you tips, and don't ask the tips, because of tips, and don't ask the stars, because of they look like as we are the uneducated people. Whenever she is saying, then I'm starting to talk my conversation in English. She said that, oh, you are the study driver. I'm saying that I'm not a study driver. I already work in good organizations, good software company. I did work in Amazon, Accenture. Oh, she said. Then I gave her, I had only other change, so total 36 rupees. So I gave 70 rupees and I left 60 rupees and I walk out. So these are the funny incidents, and some other instances are some students will come, they don't know the route, I will drop them. They are they ask very good questions, so I will tell them. So everything is good and okay. So make precautions and make mask, make helmet, make kneecaps, and take Hyderabad or whatever which city you are staying. Take the traffic rules and regulations and be safe, because of in home or in your life some person will always think about you and they are waiting for you. So please be safe and be slow ride. So these are things. And I'm slow ride means someone is asked me in Rapido, it always shows that message that go early and pick up the rider and drop early. So that means they are forcing you to do that, drive fast. So I did that in 2 ways. That means I will do fast. I completed my trip early and I completed my trip in a very late. These two only 2 to 5 rupees difference, brothers. So don't go fast for 2 to 5 rupees. The life is important more other than that. So please be keep in your mind, and all the best everyone. If you have any doubts or any customer support related or any app related problems or any other related in your life and any other things, be good, do good, so everything will be good. Thank you. Have a nice day and bye bye. See you later.